Hi, it's Isabel at Lloyd BMW, and here we have a 120 M Sport finished in fire red metallic. It has high beam assistant, which analyses all road users. It raises and lowers the main beam, providing maximum visibility without dazzling other drivers. It has 19-inch M-Lite Y-spoke alloy wheels and M Sport brakes with high-gloss red brake calipers, enhancing the M-car look and feel. In the rear windows, it has sun protection glass, protecting backseat passengers from high UV rays, while also adding an element of privacy. It has a reverse camera, assisting you with parking and reversing, as it gives you extra visibility to use as well as your mirrors. With 168 brake horsepower, it has a top speed of 141 miles per hour and can get from 0 to 62 in 7.8 seconds. Moving on to the interior, it has the Alcantara Veganza combination black upholstery and front heated sport seats, essential for driving in the winter as they're quick heating. If you're interested in learning more about this 120 M Sport, please get in touch via the details provided, or come and visit us at Lloyd BMW.